Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am back with another Continental knitting tutorial. Today I'll be showing you guys how to knit one below. It's written as K1b. Usually it's used in brioche. I have yet to try brioche, but there is another stitch pattern that I have done recently that I adore, and it incorporates this stitch, so I thought it would be really helpful to show you guys how to do this before I jump into that tutorial. Alright, without further ado, we're going to jump into the video. Okay, to knit one below, we will not be working into this main stitch on our needle. Instead, we are going to go down here to the little horizontal bar that is beneath it and scoop it up on our working needle. Alright, and then we will want to work into that main stitch also. And then you're going to knit through both of those loops. And you're going to slide them off the needle. Alright. Let's do that again. So we are going to, again, work into this horizontal bar of the next stitch. And we're also going to work into the main stitch on the needle. Yarn over and knit through both of those. It's a very simple stitch and it creates a lot of fluffy texture in your stitch pattern, which is why I'm so excited to show you this next stitch. Alright, again, we are going to come down here to this horizontal bar beneath our main stitch, insert our needle. We're going to loop up and insert the needle into the one on our non-working needle, and we are going to knit through both of those loops. Alright, and I have worked across this row alternating regular knit stitches with knitting one below, and it gives me almost this knit purl effect on the front side. On the back side it starts to really raise up those stitches and give it some texture. This swatch sample is also a very good example of how alternating regular knit stitches and knitting one below can work out to be really beautiful in the long run. I hope today's tutorial was helpful for you guys. If so, don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up, subscribe and ring that notification bell so I can be a part of your future Continental knitting journey. You can check me out on Instagram for pattern updates, whip pictures, shop updates, and more. You can also head over to my website, sign up for my newsletter so you never miss out on future content from me. And until next time, guys, happy making and thanks for watching. Hey Crafties, Infiniti here. I am chiming in to let you guys know that the summer update is fast approaching at the end of this month, and included in that will be some of my crochet items like shawls and such, but also the much anticipated yarn bowls and crochet hook vases and things like that. So if you want to see what those look like right now, head over to my website, sign up for the newsletter so you don't miss out on this fast incoming content. Thanks.